Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Cherokee. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.2-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, front license plate bracket, body color door handles, engine block heater. Inside you'll find Sirius satellite radio, trip computer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, compass. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.